Mark your calendars. Apple's WWDC 2025 hits June 9th, and it's bringing iOS 19. Rumors say it's the biggest iPhone shakeup ever. Want the juicy details? Stick around, this is huge. Hey tech fam, welcome to GadInsider. Apple just locked in WWDC 2025, June 9th to 13th, and the keynote's dropping the goods, iOS 19, new OS vibes, and more. Today, we're unpacking the hype. Let's dive in. So, what's WWDC? Apple's big developer bash, online for all, with a live kickoff at Apple Park on June 9th. Expect the usual: iOS 19, iPad OS 19, Mac OS 16, Watch OS 12, TV OS 19, and Vision OS 3 unveiled in a slick keynote. 10 a.m. PDT streamed everywhere. Last year we got Apple Intelligence. This time, iOS 19 stealing the show. Think Vision OS inspired redesigns and a Siri glow up. So why is iOS 19 trending? Leaks call it Apple's wildest overhaul since iOS 7. Rounded icons, glass-like menus, all vibing with Vision Pro's look. Forbes and X hint at a bigger camera viewfinder, smarter Siri with Apple Control, and maybe encrypted RCS messaging. Mid-2025's the word. Beta in June, full drop by September. It's not just iPhone, iPad OS and Mac OS might sync up too. Could this be Apple's next big leap? More to chew on? Watch OS 12 could boost health tracking, Mac OS 16 might unify the ecosystem, and Vision OS 3 is tipped as feature-packed. Hardware? Maybe an M4 Ultra Mac Pro tease. WWDC has dropped surprises before. June 9th's the day. Will Apple deliver? Are you stoked for iOS 19 or betting on a sleeper hit? Drop your predictions in the comments.